Other footage from the ISS has reinforced the idea that strange things are happening up in orbit. Check this picture out. It's from 2015, when a British astronaut saw three lights moving in formation near the ISS.
Outer space has long been a source of intrigue, home to countless phenomena that push the limits of our understanding of the universe.
A mysterious close encounter. This object you see here was caught on camera flying past the SpaceX rocket just minutes after liftoff last week.
One such event occurred when a large, unidentified object appeared on a live feed from the International Space Station.
I want to show you the video he posted. This happened.
This sighting has sparked much curiosity and speculation, prompting us to examine what happened and what it might mean. To better understand this object, those intrigued by the unknown point out that this isn't the first time something unusual has been spotted by the International Space Station cameras.
Astronauts took a picture of some unidentified object in space.
While skeptics suggest it could be space debris, a camera malfunction, or part of the space station itself, let's first take a closer look at the event in question. The live feed from the International Space Station, available to the public, offers a rare view of both Earth and the vastness of space. On this particular occasion, an object appeared that was much larger than the usual spots of light or fleeting shadows seen on the feed. Its sudden appearance sparked a wave of excitement and speculation, leading to various theories about its origins. Some who believe in the possibility of extraterrestrial life saw this as potential proof of a spacecraft. The size and visibility of the object, along with its proximity to the space station, fueled their theories. Some even suggested that this sighting could be evidence of advanced civilizations observing human space activities or watching Earth. Such incidents remind us of the enormity of space and the many mysteries it holds. They also underscore the importance of continuing space exploration and scientific inquiry, driven by our curiosity and the quest for greater understanding. Interestingly, not long after the object appeared, the live broadcast was abruptly cut off. It's essential to recognize that maintaining a live feed from space is a complex task that involves sophisticated technology, ground infrastructure, and space-based systems. Interruptions to the feed can result from a range of issues, including equipment malfunctions, loss of data transmission, or software glitches. The sudden appearance of an unidentified object could be of significant scientific interest. Stopping the live feed temporarily would allow scientists to study the event more thoroughly, perhaps using specialized instruments or methods. This approach ensures that the event is fully understood without the influence of public speculation or premature conclusions. Earth's airspace is not just a matter of scientific curiosity, it's also a matter of national security. If an object appears that could be related to covert operations or unknown technology, it's possible that the live feed would be halted for private and secure analysis by the appropriate authorities. While it might seem unusual, suspending the live feed during such an event could be a way to maintain public confidence. If an object cannot be easily identified, keeping the feed running might lead to confusion or panic. Waiting until all the facts are gathered before making a public statement ensures that NASA can provide accurate information and maintain its reputation as a reliable scientific authority. The most exciting theory, of course, is that NASA might be hiding evidence of extraterrestrial life. While this notion is certainly intriguing, it's important to remember that such a discovery would be a monumental scientific breakthrough, and it would be highly unlikely to be kept secret. The mystery of unidentified objects has long captured human imagination. While many sightings on Earth remain disputed, one of the most fascinating phenomena involves objects appearing near the International Space Station. The International Space Station, a joint effort involving multiple countries, orbits Earth roughly every 90 minutes, offering astronauts stunning views of the planet. But among these extraordinary views, some astronauts have reported seeing strange, unidentified objects passing through space. These sightings have raised questions and piqued interest among both scientists and the public, challenging our beliefs about the potential existence of advanced life. Since the International Space Station began operations in 1998, astronauts have reported several instances of observing unidentified objects during their missions. In 2005, astronaut Leroy Chiao recorded video footage of a strange, fast-moving object near the space station. Similarly, in 2016, astronaut Jeff Williams observed a mysterious glowing object during a live broadcast, which he could not explain. In 2020, astronaut Chris Cassidy also reported spotting an unidentified object with a frosted appearance while conducting a spacewalk. These accounts are particularly intriguing, as they come from professionals with extensive training, sharp observational skills, and scientific expertise. When addressing these reports, scientists and experts have suggested various explanations to rationalize these unusual sightings. One possible explanation involves space debris, which includes fragments from defunct satellites or rocket stages. Operating in low Earth orbit, the International Space Station frequently encounters such debris, which may appear as fast-moving objects. Another possibility is that some sightings could be optical illusions or natural phenomena misinterpreted as unidentified objects. In space, cosmic rays, reflections from spacecraft windows, or atmospheric distortions could alter astronauts' perceptions, making them believe they observed something unusual. However, a portion of these sightings continues to defy conventional explanations, raising questions about the universe's mysteries. These unexplained reports capture the interest of researchers and the public alike, encouraging further investigation into the possibility of advanced extraterrestrial life. The search for advanced life has fascinated humanity for centuries. The prospect of unidentified objects observed near the International Space Station adds a new dimension to this quest. If these objects are advanced spacecraft, it could fundamentally change our understanding of the universe and humanity's role in it. The possibility of intelligent life raises questions about the origin, evolution, and distribution of life across the cosmos. If these sightings indeed point to advanced civilizations, it suggests that the galaxy could be home to many intelligent beings, each with distinct histories and cultures. Such discoveries challenge humanity's perspective on its place in the universe and encourage reflection on our significance in the vast expanse of space. Additionally, these sightings underscore the importance of international cooperation in space exploration. The International Space Station itself exemplifies unity among nations, highlighting how global collaboration can advance the exploration of space and the pursuit of knowledge. At present, sightings of unidentified objects near the International Space Station remain an intriguing aspect of space exploration. While some can be attributed to space debris or optical illusions, others remain unexplained, fueling curiosity about the potential for advanced life. Whether these sightings turn out to be evidence of intelligent civilizations or remain unexplained phenomena, they have already contributed to humanity's growing understanding of the cosmos. The effort to interpret these sightings serves as a reminder of the boundless mystery and wonder that lie beyond Earth, inspiring humanity to continue exploring space with curiosity and open-mindedness. Missing stars and alien civilizations. In 1950, researchers captured images of the Lupus constellation, but when comparing these with images taken in 2016, they noticed that a star had vanished. While this might seem unusual, further studies revealed that hundreds of stars had disappeared over the decades without any clear explanation. A study published in the Astronomical Journal investigates these disappearances and their potential implications. The study, led by Beatrice Villarola, explains that stars cannot physically vanish unless they collapse directly into black holes, a process that does not match these observations. This phenomenon has prompted researchers to consider explanations ranging from conventional astrophysics to the possibility of advanced extraterrestrial civilizations. The study identifies certain hot spots where a surprising number of stars have disappeared, suggesting these locations could be targeted for further research into extraterrestrial life. Some scientists propose that advanced alien civilizations may construct Dyson spheres, hypothetical megastructures designed to enclose a star and harvest its energy. This could explain the disappearance of some stars. However, researchers remain cautious about attributing such events to extraterrestrial activity, as many past theories involving aliens have been later explained by natural phenomena. Even if aliens are not involved, understanding the natural causes behind these disappearances would be a significant breakthrough. Villarola emphasized that discovering a star that vanishes or appears unexpectedly would provide valuable insights, likely revealing new astrophysical principles beyond current knowledge. For now, researchers are continuing to investigate the mysterious disappearances of these stars, whether the findings point to extraterrestrial civilizations or groundbreaking natural phenomena. The Solar Orbiter spacecraft captures a massive eruption on the Sun. Massive might not fully convey the scale of this event. The eruption recorded by the Solar Orbiter's Extreme Ultraviolet Imager is the largest solar prominence eruption ever observed in a single image. The image includes the entire Sun and shows the eruption extending millions of miles into space from its surface. Fortunately, this ejection was not directed toward Earth. This observation marks a significant achievement for space exploration and the mission itself. The image is expected to provide valuable insights into solar activities for the joint NASA-European team. Although other spacecraft have captured solar prominences before, those events were either smaller or lacked the positioning needed to include the full Sun's disk in the image, as seen here. Solar prominences are complex phenomena. The European Space Agency describes them as large structures of twisted magnetic field lines that hold dense concentrations of solar plasma above the Sun's surface, often forming arching loops. These prominences are also frequently associated with coronal mass ejections, which are eruptions of charged particles occasionally released by the Sun. Coronal mass ejections can disrupt technologies on Earth, affecting satellites, power grids, and other systems. The Solar Orbiter's next close approach to the Sun is scheduled for March 26th, offering another opportunity to gather even more groundbreaking data. James Webb Telescope captures countless galaxies in a new image. The images taken by the James Webb Telescope are stunning, offering incredible perspectives with resolutions that amaze us. These pictures captivate scientists and reveal much more than their aesthetic beauty. The featured image of the month shows several galaxies, including the spiral galaxy Leda 204-6648, located in the bottom left corner. This galaxy is over 1 billion light-years away and is visible within the Hercules constellation for those familiar with observing celestial objects. This image was only recently shared after months of preparation. During the commissioning process for the Near-Infrared Imager and Slitless Spectrograph, NIRIS, the telescope was studying a white dwarf star while its near-infrared camera captured this remarkable view of Leda 204-6648 and other distant galaxies. One of the James Webb Space Telescope's primary goals is to explore the distant universe. Although this image of Leda 204-6648 is not classified as deep-field imagery, it highlights another aspect of Webb's capabilities. Deep-field imagery allows the telescope to observe the oldest light sources by using gravitational lensing, which magnifies and distorts distant lights. This image is extraordinary, and knowing there's so much more to discover within it makes it even more exciting. NASA Space Telescope detects the most powerful light ever observed on Jupiter. Scientists from the New Star Space Observatory have recently detected the highest energy light ever recorded from Jupiter. This marks the first time a telescope has detected such intense light from the gas giant. This discovery solves a mystery dating back to 1992, when the Ulysses mission failed to detect X-rays while passing by Jupiter. X-rays, which are a form of light with higher energies and shorter wavelengths, are invisible to the human eye. Despite being designed to sense high-energy X-rays, Ulysses did not observe any, raising questions that remained unanswered for decades. Astrophysicist Kaya Mori explained that it is difficult for planets to produce X-rays within the energy range detected by New Star. So, how did scientists manage to observe this phenomenon on Jupiter? Jupiter possesses a massive magnetic field and rotates at high speed. These two features enable the planet's magnetosphere to function as a giant particle accelerator, making it capable of emitting high-energy X-rays. Still, why didn't Ulysses detect this in 1992? According to recent studies, the emissions are produced by energetic electrons that NASA's Juno spacecraft can now detect with instruments like the Jovian Auroral Distributions Experiment, JADE, and the Jupiter Energetic Particle Detector Instrument, JEDI. These electrons generate Bremsstrahlung radiation, light produced when fast-moving electrons interact with charged atoms in Jupiter's atmosphere. William Dunn, a researcher at University College London, noted that while this discovery sheds new light on Jupiter's magnetosphere, it also raises further questions. Although we understand that rotating magnetic fields accelerate particles, the exact mechanism that allows them to reach such speeds on Jupiter is still unclear. New closest black hole system to Earth redefined. No black holes found. Scientific discoveries sometimes require revisiting and correcting earlier conclusions. This process helps refine our understanding of the universe. In 2020, a team of astronomers from the European Southern Observatory announced the discovery of a black hole in the HR 6819 system, which was believed to be the closest to Earth, just 1,000 light-years away. However, this claim was met with skepticism, and an international team based in Belgium challenged the findings. In a March 2022 paper, it was revealed that HR 6819 does not contain a black hole after all. Scientists may have identified a new layer within the Earth. Geologists, geographers, and physical scientists may need to rethink some long-standing concepts. The Earth might not have just 4 core layers as traditionally taught, but instead 5 layers, according to findings from geophysicists. Until now, it was widely accepted that the Earth consists of the crust, the mantle, the outer core, and the inner core. However, new analyses suggest that the inner core isn't the Earth's deepest layer. The newly proposed 5th layer has been named the innermost inner layer. This discovery comes from scientists at the Australian National University, who utilized specialized search algorithms to analyze seismic activities in the inner core. By measuring the time it takes for seismic waves to pass through this layer, China's spacecraft sends Mars footage for the first time. In early 2021, the China National Space Administration achieved a major milestone in space exploration. On February 5, 2021, images and video footage of Mars, captured by China's Mars probe Tianwen-1, were released to the public. This footage provides an unprecedented view of Mars's surface. Tianwen-1 entered the planet's orbit on February 10, 2021, and recorded video of Mars's terrain shifting in and out of view. M87 jet photograph. The M87 galaxy, also referred to as NG C4486, appears to be an ordinary oval-shaped galaxy, one of many elliptical galaxies in a cluster located within the Virgo constellation. However, M87 contains a fascinating phenomenon: a jet of electrons and other particles traveling at speeds close to the speed of light. NASA's Hubble Space Telescope captured images of this blue jet emanating from its source, surrounded by the soft golden glow of M87's numerous stars. The jet in M87 was first observed in 1918 when astronomer H.D. Curtis described it as a straight ray within the galaxy's radius. It wasn't until the 1950s, with advancements in technology, that scientists discovered the jet emitted some of the strongest and most prominent radio waves in the universe. M87 is located 50 million light-years away, making it difficult for the Hubble Space Telescope to observe individual stars, planets, or objects in detail. What is visible, however, is the light composed of star clusters, estimated to number around 15,000. Astronomers believe these stars formed early in the universe's history, preceding the second generation of stars.